Yes, hello Mel, this is Ray, and in this short video I will be going over the new website for MD Resource. Please watch this video all the way through because I go over very specific details of your website that are not apparent if you simply browse your website. So please do watch this video all the way through. This is your current website right now as it stands. What I've done is I've taken all of the content from your current website, including all of the products, and I've moved them over to the new website. There are a couple things I need to point out. I did not have your logo in the appropriate format that I need, so I am using a temporary logo right now. Please do provide me with this logo in PNG format. That means no background, transparent background, as large as possible. That way I can put it on the new website. And also the code for the chat service that you're using here. Now I do have a chat service that I've also built into your website. It'll be very easy to switch it out with this one. So please do provide me those two pieces and I can update your new website. Now let's go to the new website. This is the new website here, and this website, what I've done is I've set up to where you can have a boxed layout here, which will allow you for a background image to be used on every page, or you can have a wide layout that does not have any background, and I'm going to show you that right now. So as you can see, right now we have a boxed layout that supports a background image. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page and show you what the wide layout looks like with no background image. And you can very easily, within a matter of seconds, switch to whichever version you prefer. So this right here is the wide layout. You can see the content area goes from left to right all the way edge to edge, and there is no background image. So this is the wide layout. Looks very nice as well. And again, let's go ahead and switch back to the boxed layout so I can go ahead and show you the rest of the website. And then again, you can switch back and forth to whichever version you prefer. So let's go ahead and go back to the boxed layout with background. And you can actually have a different background image for each page of your website. So here we go now. We have the boxed layout, which allows you for a background image. And again, you can have a different background image for every page of your website, which is a unique touch. So as the website visitor browses through the website, they'll see a different background on each page. And when you scroll down, you'll notice I took all of the content from your website and I simply arranged it in a much more eye-pleasing and easy to navigate way on the new website. So you can see this is the home page of your current website, or excuse me, of your new website, and all of the content was taken from your current website here. So let me quickly just go through every section. You'll notice we have a slideshow on every website, on every page. You can change the slideshow images. You can change the headlines on each slideshow. So from time to time, if you want to update the images and the headlines, very easy to do so. I also have the About Us, History, and Today information right on the home page. And I also have a link to your catalog, your PDF catalog here, and also letting people know that you do have a complete setup page that basically is your recommended setup, the complete setup that MD Resource recommends with the products needed and a link to each individual product. And that's makes things very easy for your website visitors. And then when you scroll down, we have the YouTube videos. And you'll notice when you put your mouse over a YouTube video, you'll then be able to go ahead and watch that video on the website directly. So that is very easy for the website visitor. We have the upcoming event here to the left. We have your links and resources here on the left as well. And then we have the product categories on the left. So whatever product that the person is interested in. They can just directly go to that category. I have them arranged in subcategories, and you can have unlimited categories and products. Now, normally, Mel, when I create an e-commerce website for a customer, I only take 10 of their products and transfer it over to the new website, and then they can very, very easily add unlimited products themselves. And I have to limit it, otherwise, I have some customers with thousands of products. But in your case, because you were very patient, and I appreciate that, I've gone ahead and I've moved over all of your products. So you're not missing any products. I take that back. You might be missing one or two. When setting up websites, it's sometimes I might miss a product or two, but keep in mind you have a back end that allows you to very easily manage your entire store. Everything from customer orders, customer contact details. You can go into past orders, run sales reports, you can add products, you can add shipping options, you can add basically coupons if you want to give discount offers and promotion codes. You can have unlimited products and categories. So if there is a product missing, you can very easily add it. Once I move the website to your domain, there will be tutorials, video tutorials, just like this video overview that show you how to use your entire website. Now let's go ahead and go through. This is right here the complete setup page. And so you can see here that the complete setup has all of the products that make up the complete setup, along with item details, a link to that individual product. So you can see I've made it very easy for your prospect to get the recommended setup they need. We have the About Us page as well. Now you can see the About Us page. I have all of the content that you have on your current website. I just added my own touch and arranged it in a very nice modern way. Keep in mind also you have your social links here to the left. Please do provide me with all of your social links, your Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube link if you have one, so I can update those. Also, you'll notice the live support, the live chat here. Now this is just like what you have on your current website. The only thing is I need the copy and paste code for this young gal here so that I can replace it on your website. That's it. Once you provide me that, then I can simply replace this stock image that I have here. So this is the About Us page. I also want to show you, we have a questions and answers page, a frequently asked questions and answers page that I've set up. And basically this page is a good way for you to have all the common Q&As arranged nicely here. And basically what people can do is they can click on a question and the answer will drop down. And all I need for you to do, if you'd like me to update this for you while I move the website to your domain, is simply provide me with a list of questions and answers, and I'll be more than happy to update these for you. Otherwise, when I move the website, you or someone on your team can log in and update these Q&As. And also add to them. You can have as many Q&As as you want. You can update them as often as you want. It's just a nice touch. I thought it would be for the new website. Also, your certifications. I have all of your certifications. So if you see here, what I've done is I've taken your certifications, I put them all on this page, and people can click on a certification for the larger PDF view of that particular certificate. So makes it very easy for people to get that information. So you can see here, people can just click on a certificate and go to that certificate. And then also I have, what I want to show you is on the menu bar, we have a tally on the cart, on what that person has on their cart. And when you put your mouse over it, you get a running tally of what is in your cart currently. So let me go ahead and actually let's first look at the Contact Us page as well. Now the Contact Us page has your contact details, your address, and a contact form. And on this drop down, if somebody says, I need assistance with an order I placed, if they choose that, then they'll get an additional drop down that asks for their order number. And I did that so that when you get an inquiry regarding support or a question regarding a past order, before you contact that person, either via phone or email, you can look up that order on your website and see exactly what that product was. Just makes things a little easier for you. So, general contact form. And what I want to show you really quick is let's just click on any one of these items. We'll go here to liposuction syringes. You can see here, this is the product category. All of the products are displayed. Now, you can see the prices on some of these products. You can add them to the cart right away. So let's add this to the cart. You get confirmation that the item was added to the cart by the number here. You now see you have items that are added to the cart. Let's look also at some other items. I want to show you an item that has multiple options to select from, and what I mean by that is size options, for example. So let's look at a item, if I can find one here that has, we'll come here and look at the garments. I imagine some of these should have options. Here we go. Here under this category, you can see that on products that have certain options to choose from, such as size, if you click on select options, you'll see that you'll go to that product and you can select the size option. And I had to, this took quite a bit of time, but I was happy to do it for you. What you can do is for any product that has options, and you can have unlimited options for people to select from, you can just have a drop down so they can select the size and length. Also, you'll notice if you put your mouse over an item, you see a magnified version. Now, in order for this to really work well, what you should do, Mel, is you should have two pictures of an item. One small picture, you know, the standard size, and then one large. And that way, when people put their mouse over an item, the larger magnified one will show. And you can do that anytime to these products. You can edit these products, and on additional products, just remember to do that. It'll be very helpful to the customer. So you can select an option, and you'll notice on items that have options to select from, notice there is no add to cart button. It only appears when you select the options that are available. And I did that for you so you don't ever accidentally get an order where you have to call or email the person and say, hey, what was the length and size of that? So the add to cart button is only available on items that have options once that person selects them. And then you can simply click the add to cart button. You'll see it says add it to your cart. Now we have 3 items. Let's go to view cart. I just want to quickly show you the website is ready to take orders right now. Right now also we have free shipping as far as the shipping and handling, but I've actually set up multiple shipping options for you. I set up free shipping. I set up flat fee shipping, so if you want to set up the store to add a flat fee amount for every order, you can do that. I also set up shipping based by weight, so if you want to have exact to the penny shipping based by weight on every order, you can do that as well. Now that does require you to put in the weight, the accurate weight of every single product, along with shipping tables for the courier that you want to use, which is easy to do. Tutorials will show you how, and then you can charge shipping based by weight, or you can also do shipping by dollar amount. So for example, anything over $500 is free shipping, anything under, flat fee of $10. Or yet another option is you can do shipping by product. So some items can be free shipping, some can be $5 shipping. Your really heavy items can be, you know, $20 shipping, or so each product can also have individual shipping costs. But right now I just have the store to have shipping and handling free. You can have it set to whatever you want. Now if we proceed to checkout, the website right now is connected to my PayPal account to have for testing purposes, and I did that to test the gateway, which works perfectly. If you have a coupon code, they can enter a coupon code here, and in your back panel you can create coupon codes that give a percentage or dollar amount off orders, and that's good for, you know, sending to your regular customers, encourage them to place orders, things like that. They can select a different shipping address or have it shipped to the same address as billing. We'll just go ahead and fill this in really quick. I just want to show you that the website is ready to take orders right now. All we have to do is replace my PayPal information with yours and you are ready to go. So let me just go ahead and show you really quick. There we go. So you put in your information, you see once again a confirmation of your order, the total amount, all major credit and debit cards, securely processed by PayPal. And then when you click here, you will see that you will be taken to the final payment page to submit your order. And all I have to do, Mel, is plug in your information and you're ready to go. So you can see here the payment page. I've set it up to where even on the confirmation page on PayPal, you get a tally of what you're ordering, and then you can either pay by credit card, debit card, just fly right through the order process, or log into a PayPal if your customers choose to, if they have a PayPal account, and pay that way. Thank you very much for your patience, Mel. I really appreciate the opportunity to give MD Resource a makeover. For any other web development needs, please email me. I'll be glad to create any other website you may have. I will offer you a discount and no deposit required for any future web development work. But I do need you to tell me which version you do like so I can update it. And once again, let's review. This is the boxed version with a background image, and you can have a different background image for every page of your website. Or let's reload this page and I will show you the wide layout, and you just need to tell me which you prefer for me to make active when I move the website over. And again, it's not permanent. So if you decide to go from the boxed layout with background image to the wide layout, left to right, edge to edge, which is this version here, you can switch back and forth as often as you want. So you can see this is the wide layout. So the only difference is the background is visible on this version and not visible on the boxed layout. Everything else is exactly the same. The website will also operate perfectly as intended on mobile or tablet devices. All of the features work. It is mobile and tablet friendly. And again, all I need you to do is provide me with your chat plugin for your live chat support and your actual logo. Because I didn't have your logo, I just used one temporarily in its place. Thank you so much, and I look forward to your feedback.